Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our EPIC employee account. So let's get started. So to log into your EPIC employee account, first of all you have to open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for EPIC employee login. After searching for EPIC employee login, you can just tap on this second option, which is from employee self-service portal. And after tapping on that option, now what you can do is just tap on login, which is on the top right corner of your screen. And after tapping on login, you can just enter your username. And after doing that, now what you can do is just simply head over to your login button and then just tap on login. So after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, what you can do is just tap on can't access your account, and after tapping on can't access your account, what you'll do is you will open up this page, and from here you can reset or recover your account's password. So just reset and recover your account's password by entering your username and then entering your company code, and then tap on request password reset, and they will enter, and then you will receive a code in your email, and from there you can just easily reset or recover your password. And after resetting or recovering your password, now what you can do is just come back to this page, and after coming back to this login page, now you can just enter your new password that you have created, your company code, and then enter your username. So after entering your following details, now what you can do is just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your EPIC employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.